Hey guys, you guys may remember this place. Back in November, I filmed this room when it was being remodeled. It's now a movie theater. This is the same exact house. And this is the same exact original that was up here with no blades on it. This is what it looks like now. Here's the kitchen. Yeah, it looks a whole lot different than what it looked like before. Anyways, here's the original. It is painted black. It was originally brown and brass. The blades are reversible cane to non-cane blades. There's the Hunter logo on the tag. Alright, here's low. Here's medium. Here's high. Alright, I'm gonna go outside and show you the Hunter R&M original. Here it is. Just to give you a heads up, I might not get this fan. They might actually keep it, because they might install it somewhere. They might install it in that room. I'll actually show you real quick, but first I'm going to show you these two fans. They're still up. And they still have no oil in them, so they're still pretty tight. Alright, so this is the room they're currently remodeling. This actually used to be the movie theater, and now that room back there is the movie theater. They're probably going to install it right here. I think they're turning this room into a little apartment or something. Like, this would be the bathroom. This would be the main area. And this would be the closet. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video.